Hey guys, Ty from Garage88 here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Garage88 skid plate. The tools you're going to need are 16mm and you'll also need a 10mm. The hardware included is 2 big bolts, 2 medium bolts, 2 small bolts, 4 washers, and the plastic holders. Also included for the medium bolts are 2 short spacers, as well as 2 large spacers for the big bolt. The big bolts will correspond with the big spacer, and then the medium bolts will go with the shorter spacer. Once you remove the bolts on the skid plate, you can let it hang like that and take it off. If you have the off-road, you'll also have one right behind it. For the driver's side bracket, remove the bolt on the inner side as well as the one in the very back. Keep the one in the middle. For the passenger side bracket, remove the bolt in the very back as well as the one in the very front. Make sure to pre-install your hardware using the plastic tabs. We're going to have the big bolts with the big spacers in the middle, both on the left side and the right side, and then we're going to have the medium bolts and the smaller spacers on the left and right side. The reason why we use the plastic tabs is to secure the bolts, so when you do install it on the vehicle, you're not having the bolts fall out on you. Once you have the 2 front rows hand tight, you're going to grab your washer and the small bolt and line up the back row. Once you have it hand tight in, tighten up all the bolts. For those wondering about fitment, take a look. You got clearance on the subframe right here. Once you have the front air dam removed, you will have clearance like so. Also on the passenger side, you have clearance for the subframe. If you follow this video, you'll have no issues with your install. That concludes the installation of the Garage88 skid plate. If you have any more questions, please visit the website, garage88.ca, or leave a comment down below and someone will get back to you. Till next time, this was Ty from Garage88.